Welcome everybody to our channel. My name is Tim. Today, we will get some information from our project, the system call. First of all, I want to give you an introduction, explanation, and some examples about the system call. In computing, a system call is the programmatic way in which a computer program requests a service from the operating system on which it is executed. This may include hardware-related services, for example, accessing a hard disk drive or accessing the device's camera, creation and execution of new processes, and communication with integral kernel services, such as process scheduling. System calls provide an essential interface between a process and operating system. The first point, what is the API and how is it related to the system calls? We will see it in the comparison between application program interface and system call. API is a set of protocols, routines, and functions which allow the exchange of data among various applications and devices. System call allows the program to request services from the kernel. The protocols and functions in API that define the methods of communication among various components. While in system call, it is a method which allows the program to request services from the operating system's kernel. In API, it can be a web-based system, operating system, database, or software library. In system call, it provides an interface between user programs and operating system. The second point, how is the system call received and handled by the operating system? The applications run in an area of memory known as user space. A system call connects to the operating system's kernel, which executes in kernel space. When an application creates a system call, it must first obtain permission from the kernel. It achieves this using an interrupt request, which pauses the current process and transfers control to the kernel. If the request is permitted, the kernel performs the requested action, like creating or deleting a file. As input, the application receives the kernel's output. The application resumes the procedure after the input is received. When the operating is finished, the kernel returns the results to the application and then moves data from kernel space to user space in memory. A simple system call may take a few nanoseconds to provide the result, like retrieving the system date and time. A more complicated system call, such as connecting to a network device, may take a few seconds. Most operating systems launch a distinct kernel thread for each system call to avoid bottlenecks. Modern operating systems are multi-threaded, which means they can handle various system calls at the same time. The last point, what are the types of system call? We have 5 types of system calls: process control, file management, device management, information maintenance, communication. Process control is the system call that is used to direct the process. Some process control examples include creating, load, abort, end, execute, process, terminate the process. File management is a system call that is used to handle the files. Some file management examples include creating files, delete files, open, close, read, write. Device management is a system call that is used to deal with devices. Some examples of device management include read, device write, get device attributes, release device. Information maintenance is a system call that is used to maintain information. There are some examples of information maintenance, including getting system data, set time or date, get time or date, set system data. Communication is a system call that is used for communication. There are some examples of communication, including create, delete communication connection, send, receive messages. At the end of the project, I want to thank all of you for listening and hope you have benefited from us.